Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Anas Qureshi. Today I am going to discuss about the Asana software. Asana is one of the most important software in the management industry for the project management industry. Asana is a one type of work management tool uh, for managing so many type of tasks and other works among a group of people for many specific terms. In Asana software, Asana keeps track of who is responsible for what type of work and all the information related to the task or related to that work and all the necessary steps of that work. One of the capability of Asana software is its flexibility. You can decide or you can choose what type of work you want to track and exactly how to use it. In last couple of years, Asana software has added so many new type of options in application and so many new type of templates to provide structure for teams who don't want complete flexibility. The other capability of Asana software is that Asana is adept at handling ongoing work like bug fixes, maintenance, and other similar type of projects work. But it's tough when typically lightweighted ones that uh, don't involve that don't involve dozen of similar parts, and that task you must to uh, coordinate with the other similar projects in your work. Uh, the other capability of Asana software is that you can uh, you can you can handle so many complex projects at once at a time. Like as example, one company going to build a 50 house on a year in a year. So Asana software can map out all the stages of the construction for all the hours so that it can easy to happen and is happen in the right order. And the other share equipments and the skill workers are available at the right time for the all the construction stages. The Asana software has so many type of new features like I can show you. Like you can see in Asana software, this is the home of Asana software. You can see how many works you done in this week, how many tasks you completed, or how many people you collaborated with, how many people. You can see the priorities of the project longs. Create if you want to start a new project, then you can create project here from here. In my task, you can see add a new task recently assigned. If you want to do any task today, then you can add this option. If you want to plan any task for next week, yeah, you can add this task, or you can add any task for a do later. You can see the board today, do next week, do there. You can see the calendar also that which date you can do what you did with which type of tasks, and you can and the files how many tasks you did in the last couple of years. You can see the info, yeah, inbox. There are so many. You can see here. We can see the notification of Sanada or some teammates or employers send us messages. So we can see in the inbox. Here in the is the reporting. Here is the reporting view reporting option. Here you can see the dashboard. If you add the chart, you can see so many of new charts and templates available by Asana. You can see resources, work health, and many other things. In the portfolio function, you can see if you add click on the new portfolio, you can for example you can team object public, or you can portfolio, you can give a portfolio name here, and you choose that if your this portfolio is a publicly or is a private. You can see the portfolio. In the portfolio you can see the product launch, the status of the project, how much percentage of how much percentage of task is completed, the task progress, and then date of the task when you started the task. This is the goal option. You can if you can add the goal, then you can enter the name of your goal, the company, which type of product you the owner of the product, and a parent is a parent goal, which type of person, how many person you collaborate with, how many person you can add. This is also the publicly or private. You can when you communicate and during the task, you can invite people from here, or during any task or work. If you want to communicate with the other team members about the how about to know the process or the status of the project, you can invite the teammates from here. So this is the main features or new features of Asana software. So here, this is we all, so that was the features of the Asana software. Now Asana software, now it is very managing a project is very hard, or even more harder if the work has no type of tool to use, or even it is have work spread across the so many tools. It is so easy to lose lose track of moving parts. It is so easy to lose track of moving parts, and it is so tough to stay up to date without using any application or tool in the work. So and when this thing uh, that is happen when the things fall down for the crashes. So Asana application or Asana tool can you can use Asana tool to organize a project, make communication plan easy, or make communication easy. All you if you if you meet the proper deadline, or your work uh, going to execute close at a scheduled time, so you can use the Asana software. Now this is a very advantages of Asana software, but there are some limitations of Asana software too. Like in Asana software, it is not ideal for graphics intensive work. In Asana software, it is a lack of function which function you cannot recurrent the task. In Asana software, if someone send you any type of message or notification in inbox, but inbox after sometimes that notification will get disappear. Okay, and yes, after these are some limitation. But if you want to ask me that you recommended this application to any organization, so my answer is yes. I would like I would definitely recommend this application to any organization, because it is a collaborative tool, and you can learn so many tasks and so many things from this tool. You can learn how to track the task from tasks to the workflow to the many similar projects. So it is very important software, and it is very useful for project management industry, for any project in the organization. Thank you.